Would you ever eat a cinnamon bun as a pizza? Let's try it. First things first, the topping. We'll mix softened butter with sugar, cinnamon, and a splash of vanilla. This blend is what gives it that classic cinnamon bun flavor. Just mix until it's smooth and combined. This is going to melt right into the dough and make it gooey and sweet. Now let's work the dough. Dust it with flour, and at first we're going to press it out gently, really pushing from the center. We don't want to stretch it too thin because the magic here is keeping it puffy. Dust your peel with flour and place your dough on top. Now we're ready for the topping. Take that cinnamon sugar butter and paint it right into the dough. Go edge to edge, but don't flood it. We want an even layer so it bakes evenly into every bite. This is where it starts smelling like cinnamon buns already. Now we launch. A quick shake and the dough slides right off the peel and onto the baking steel. The sizzle is where the pizza magic happens. And we launch with the broiler on. Look at those coils. For the icing, we mix powdered sugar with softened butter and a splash of vanilla. Whip it until smooth and creamy. That's our bun drizzle. Place it in a baggie and nip the corner. Move your pizza from the oven. That is gorgeous. Now for the icing. No rules here. Just drizzle on and let it flow. Sweet, gooey, and baked on steel. This one's worth a try.